Here we present the 5 best heat gun. Let's get started with the list. Number 1. SEEKONE Heat Gun 1800W Hot Air Gun. The SEEKONE 1800W heat gun offers immense power and is capable of heating up in a matter of seconds. It has a large temperature range with built-in temperature control and overload protection. One of the most important things about dual temperature heat guns is that they require rheostat-type heating with safety measures. The black dial on the heat gun allows you to control the heat from the tool and also make adjustments to the airflow control. With a temperature range of 120 degrees Fahrenheit to 1200 degrees Fahrenheit, the heat gun is capable of handling most DIY project needs. Number 2. Genesis GHG 1500A 12.5 amp heat gun. The Genesis GHG 1500A is one of the best 1500/750W heat gun kits out there. It comes with an air reduction nozzle and makes adjustments depending on your project. You can swap between 3 temperatures to get the desired results. Most DIY projects that require precision and care need the right safety measures built in. The GHG 1500A comes with overload protection to ensure you do not injure yourself or damage the working surface you use the tool on. There are multiple accessories that come built in with the package, including additional nozzles and reflectors. Number 3. Wagner Spraytech 05030008 HT1000 Heat Gun. The Wagner HT1000 heat gun is one of the best tools available for removing paint, loosening rusted bolts, working on phone repairs, and more. The ease of use of the Spraytech is unmatched and is one of the most popular options among home DIY ERS. There are 2 temperature settings that you can swap between depending on your requirements. The corrosion-resistant nozzles ensure that you can use the heat gun for extended periods of time without facing any overheating problems. With a temperature range of Number 4. Yome Heat Gun Variable Temperature. The Yome 1800W heat gun comes with 2 airflow speeds with 6 temperature settings that you can swap between depending on your needs. The versatility of the heat gun is unmatched, and it allows you to work on a range of materials including ABS plastic, stainless steel, as well as heat-resistant nylon. The design of the Yome 1800W is unparalleled as it allows you to handle the tool safely without risking yourself to high temperatures. You can also swap between various nozzles to customize the heating, depending on your project. Number 5. BLACK+DECKER Heat Gun Dual Temperature. The BLACK+DECKER heat gun is one of the best. Their HG1300 model comes with 2 temperature settings which are more than enough for most DIY projects that you may want to undertake at home. One of the most important aspects of HG1300's design is its lightweight construction. It is designed to offer maximum airflow to ensure you can use it for extended periods of time without suffering from overheating. There is no risk of injuring yourself thanks to the safety measures that are built into it. The HG1300 comes with a host of safety measures including additional nozzles and reflectors that you can swap between. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.